Hi there! As you may know, 1 year is 365 days long. You may not know, though, that it actually takes the Earth 365.2421 days to orbit the Sun. What happens to all the time after that decimal point? Well, they become leap day, or February 29th. We have a leap year every 4th year in order to recalculate the calendar so we stay consistent with the true timing of the Earth's orbit around the Sun, our closest star. Now that you're a little bit smarter, let's get crafty. Since we're talking astronomy today, I wanted to make something galaxy themed. And since we're also talking about time, today we'll be making a painted galaxy wall clock. Check out the links in the description to see where you can buy the kit and where you can say hi to me. If you make this galaxy-themed clock, I would love to see pictures through Instagram or Twitter, so be sure to follow me at Smarts and Craft. And make the most of your leap day because you won't get another one for 4 years.